In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable AI with Cursor AI, seamlessly linking your AI tools for a more integrated and efficient workflow. Let's dive right in. To start, navigate to the Lovable platform by entering the URL in your browser. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your existing projects. If you're new to Lovable, you might need to set up a project first, but assuming you have projects ready, go ahead and select the specific project you want to connect to Cursor AI. This is an important step because it sets the foundation for establishing a connection between your tools. After selecting your project, it's time to connect it to GitHub. This process involves integrating your AI project with a repository that can be accessed via GitHub, which is a crucial part of linking it with Cursor AI. Click on the option to connect to GitHub. This will initiate a series of prompts guiding you on how to link your Lovable project with your GitHub account. Once you click Connect, a window will pop up. Take a moment here to carefully review the information presented. It's essential to ensure that all details are correct and that you have the necessary permissions to proceed. Now, fill in any required fields with the necessary information. These fields typically involve permissions or other relevant details that ensure your project is securely transferred to GitHub. Once you're finished, press Save. This will ensure all your settings and connections are activated accordingly. After saving, the next step is to copy the URL of the GitHub repository that you've just connected with Lovable. This link will serve as the bridge to Cursor AI. Next, head over to Cursor AI. Once inside the platform, access the command palette by typing Ctrl+Shift+P. This shortcut is a quick way to execute various commands within the tool. You're going to look for the option called Get Clone. Selecting this allows you to initiate the import process. Now paste the previously copied GitHub repository URL into the appropriate field. This action connects Cursor AI with the repository, effectively linking it to the project you selected in Lovable. After pasting the URL, a prompt will ask you to choose a location on your local machine to save the repository. This step is crucial for organizing your files, so make sure you select a folder that is easy for you to navigate. Finally, confirm that the repository is now successfully added to Cursor AI. This confirmation means your two AI tools are now speaking the same language, ready to maximize productivity and streamline your workflow. By following these steps, you've managed to seamlessly link Lovable AI with Cursor AI, setting the stage for a more cohesive AI development environment. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!